Hi everybody, so this is the second part of Titanium, which is the verse. What you could do with this if you wanted is just play the introduction, which is what I've taught you before, and have somebody sing the verse or you sing the verse, which would go something like this. Wanted to do that, or if you wanted to play the actual melody or the tune, this is what we're going to do now. So the same three chords, C, G and A minor. Okay, and then the melody starts with a G. We could do that with our thumb on the G above middle C. Okay, so it goes like this. Repeat that. Okay. What's great about this piece of music is there's quite a lot of what we call syncopation. So the rhythm isn't on the beat. So we get like, it comes before the beat. It sound really funky, really good. Okay, so the next little bit, a couple more new chords for you. So we've got an F chord, A, C and F, and then a G chord, G, B and D, yeah, and then the next chord after that is an E minor chord, which is quite easy to find from G chord because the same bottom two notes are there, G and B, but instead of the D we go up to an E. A minor, A, C and E. Okay, so we've got an G, E minor, and then an A, F, E minor, A minor. Okay, and the right hand on that little bit goes. And that's it.